Hi everyone, this video is going to show you how to use a Chrome extension called Tab Resize in order for you to split your screen so you can multitask. This is great specifically when you're working on a Google Meet where you don't just want to be able to see your classmates or your students, but you also want to be able, to work on another task. That could be a Kahoot, that could be a Jamboard, that could be a Google Doc, where you're working collaboratively and you just want to split your screen. So the first thing that we want to do is, when you're using Chromebooks, you will automatically be logged onto your Google Chrome browser. But if you're not, you want to make sure that you're logged in. So you would see your icon all the way up in this top corner where I'm pointing my mouse key. The next thing that you want to do is click on the Puzzle Piece Chrome extension. And here you're going to see a list of all of the different Chrome extensions you have access to. Now remember, this would have been after you have installed the Tab Resize Chrome extension. So you're going to go ahead and look for that. And you can see that in this Chrome extension, since I just downloaded it, my pin, my little thumbtack symbol here is not blue. Once I click on it, it will automatically populate up in the toolbar right up here. When you click on Tab Resize, it essentially is going to give you a couple of different layouts to choose from. Now, if you're looking for a side-by-side layout where you have your Google Meet on one side and whatever else it is that you're working on the other side, you're going to select where it says 1x2. And you can see it automatically split up my screen. And so now I am looking at two different tabs at the same time. You can use this other tab, again, to do whatever you please. You might be on a Jamboard, for example, on a Google Doc. Let's say I am working on a collaborative, Jamboard with the students in my class. Maybe, a teacher posted a link to a Jamboard in the Google Meet section and everyone is collaborating. So I'm using this one as just an example. You would be able to see your classmates or see your students and still work on, whatever else it is that you're working on at the same time. Now, when it's time, I know some of us, when we're working on Chromebooks, our screens are a little bit small. So when it's time to kind of sandwich everything back together, all you have to do is click right back on that Tab Resize Chrome extension. And when you click on the undo button, it automatically sandwiches those tabs together. So now you can see up at my toolbar, I have two tabs. Now, what happens, let's say if you have a tab on one side and you want to bring it over to the other, I will model that for you. You're going to go ahead and click right back on Tab Resize. I'm going to select 1x2 once again so I can see my screen, split. Now, in the event that you ever have a tab on one side, like let's say I have this tab and I want to take the tab up here and bring it to the other side, all you have to do is click and drag. And if you move it over and kind of just like sandwich them together, the other tab will connect. So you have total control over what tabs you see on either side. And once again, once you're done, you just click right back on that Chrome extension and click on undo, and they sandwich right back together.